In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag for Street View on Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and go to the Waze editor page. This is where you'll be able to access the map tools needed to preview a location at street level. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow or the map is loading a large area. Once you are inside the page, take a second to get familiar with the layout. You should see the main map area in the center, along with different tools and controls around it. Before moving on, make sure the map is showing the area you want to inspect. If needed, you can zoom in slightly so it's easier to place the Street View tool more accurately. Next, look over to the right side panel and find the person icon. This is the tool used to open a street level view of a location. It works similarly to other map platforms that let you drop a figure onto the map to switch from the standard overhead view into a more visual ground level perspective. If you don't spot it right away, scan the panel carefully because the icon is usually small and easy to miss. When you found the person icon, click and drag it to the address or exact spot where you want to view the street. As you drag, pay attention to where you drop it because placing it closer to the correct road or building will usually give you a better result. If the area supports street imagery, Waze will open that view for you once you release the icon. At this point, you can now view the street. This lets you see the location from a driver's eye perspective, which can be useful for checking entrances, road layout, landmarks, signage, or nearby surroundings. It's a helpful way to confirm what a location really looks like instead of relying only on the map view from above. To move around in Street View, use your mouse. You can click and drag to look around and change your viewing direction. This allows you to inspect different parts of the street and get a more complete look at the area. Move slowly and carefully so you don't lose your orientation, especially if you're trying to examine a specific address or intersection. And that's all it takes to drag for Street View on Waze. Once you know where the person icon is and how to place it, checking street level details becomes quick and easy.